Welcome to Guide Up. Today I'm going to guide you on how to delete message on LinkedIn application. For that, make sure you already have the application and you are logged into your account. Now at this home page of LinkedIn, at the top right, you can see the message icon. You have to tap over there. Now here you can see all the list of messages that you have sent or received. Now tap on the one that you want to delete. Unfortunately, LinkedIn doesn't have the service of deleting messages one by one. But to delete the entire conversation, you can tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. There you can see the option delete conversation just below report this ad. Tap over there. This box will pop up. This conversation will be deleted permanently. Now tap on delete once again. And now you can see that the message has been deleted permanently. This is the only way to delete messages on LinkedIn application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.